Joining your engine AJ520. Joining good. All compressions complete. On the front engines looks good. Have something damage on the plastic, but nothing critical as you can see. Compressor looks good, no damage, no broken, all nice, all good. Socket in good conditions. On this side, engines looks good as you can see. Engines turbo looks good, no damage, no broken, all nice. Gearbox look as well, no damage, no broken, all nice, all good. And on this side, engines looks good as you can see. Altimeter looks good, no damage, no broken, all nice. And on the top, plastics have little damage. But all nice, all good. And on the bottom, as you can see, no cracks, no damage, no leaks, all nice, all good. And turning your engine AJ520.